Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Buzz Boost for your earbuds Edifier Neo Dots. You have to start by open Edifier Connect application, and if you add these earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to go to the sound effects, and right here at the second line we have heavy bass. So this one is Buzz Boost. Tap at this line and we just did it. So if you go back, right here as you can see that this is selected preset, what we used. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!